and dealing with alternative suppliers upon NFA's waiver. May
Madam
ganun
Chair,
eh.
that's for the disaster.
Yes, correct. So you end up buying at 45. Paano ba ang sistema dyan?
Madam Chair, in the QRF, whenever we need to buy rice for our calamity boxes,
Yes.
we will have to buy it from NFA because of a standing executive order.
Right.
So now, recently,
Kapag
wala, then we resort to regular procurement.
So that becomes 45 pesos
Ma'am,
upwards.
nag-iiba-iba eh. Depende,
Iba-iba.
depende sa bantay presyo grid na binibigay sa kinukuha namin from the Department of Agriculture.
Na kailanman hindi nasusunod.
Ma'am, but we make sure that we buy only within the bandwidth given by the bantay presyo of
So
the
what is
Department
the
of
present
Agriculture.
bandwidth, just as a matter of curiosity?
Ma'am, 45 pesos to
Yeah, alam
55
ko,
pesos.
hanggang 55
Yes,
na
ma'am.
kayo? Okay.
That's within the bantay presyo that they update every day in their webpage.
Yes, so NFA sells aging stock at 25 per kilo.
Unfortunately, ma'am, we don't get
Parang
29.
hindi nangyayari yun.
Ma'am, hindi kami nakakakuha. Recently, they've been issuing waiver of no availability.
Yeah.
Ngayon lang, last
Sa
week.
amin din.
Pero last week, nakakuha kami for NCR, source from Region 2. So we're not going to buy commercially, we're going to get from NFA. Pero hindi siya 29 pesos, 38 pesos, ma'am, based on the new
Kaya nga hindi ko
contract.
naintindihan kasi ang nakalista sa NFA, 25 pesos. Tapos, with the 29 pesos, may 29, may 25 sila na sinasabi pag aging stock more than 3 months. Tapos may 29 pesos na sinasabi na binebenta daw sa inyo.
Madam Chair, we'll submit to
Sa
the
DA
committee.
Kadiwa. Pero yung report ninyo, naiba naman.
We'll submit to the committee, ma'am, our memorandum of agreement with NFA that states our buying price. It's at
Right.
38 pesos.
So, at NFA now, you're actually, the real is at 38 pesos.
38 pesos, ma'am.
So, kayo na yan. Is that aging stock or
No,
fresh?
ma'am, that's fresh. That's fresh.
Aging stock, any idea magkano?
Ma'am, we don't buy aging stock
Ang
because...
daming reklamo dyan eh.
Yes, ma'am. And remember, ma'am, ikakamada ulit namin siya sa box as stockpile. So kung walang calamity, lalong tatagal sa amin, baka the quality of rice might not be usable na pag calamity. So we don't buy aging stock, ma'am.
So, no more aging stock. And so, you have fresh stock and the going rate, more or less,
38
national
pesos.
average is at 38 pesos, not the 25 that NFA
None, ma'am.
keeps saying.
38 pesos. We have a memorandum of agreement that we'll submit right now.
But in fact, during disasters, napipilitan kayo bumili at 55 pesos.
45 to 55.
Oo. Eh, mura na ngayon kasi 60 plus kapag meron. Di ba? Okay. So, if I could just have that cleared up because iba naman yung sinasabi
Madam Chair, we'll
ng
submit our
NFA.
memorandum of agreement with them.
Yeah. No, well, more importantly, your buying price in the last couple
We
of
will,
months.
Madam Chair. What we'll do is we'll summarize what we've bought
Yeah.
and then submit to the committee accordingly.
Kailan sila last nag-issue ng no availability?
Last week, ma'am, dalawa ko kasi. We have a packing center in Visayas. Sabi nila doon walang stock. But the one in Metro Manila, they said they have a stock. So last week, we got 2 types of waivers from them. One is certification na merong stock in Luzon and
Right.
then non-availability in Visayas.
Okay. Isabela, may stock talaga.
Yes, ma'am. That's where
Marami.
we're getting now for our NCR operations.
Okay, fine. I just wanted to clear up. There were some questions about the 4-piece program. Your submissions have some discrepancies. The data you provided for 2024, I think the USEC in charge of the 4-piece, you're currently at 4.277 million households. From the start of the program, you indicated that you had 1.451 million households had exited. Yung 1.451, sabi nyo, exited na yon, ano? So, total of 5.728 households. In the same data, sinabi nyo na 6.472 have been served. So, may discrepancy tayo. It's just arithmetic.
Madam Chair,
Bakit
I'll
may
go through
discrepancy
it.
ng 743,000?
Madam Chair, if I may, and the
Yeah.
USEC can collaborate. Madam Chair, the target is always 4.4 million. But within months, merong nag-graduate, merong umaalis, may pinapasok ulit. So the current number of beneficiaries, tama ho kayo, is at 4.2.
Yeah,
That's the
what you
current.
submitted eh.
That's the current in our database.
Oh.
Now, Yung sinasabi ho nyo nag-exit, sila yung nag-exit from inception of the program till current.
Are
till
you saying from 2007 yan?
Diba 2007 yan?
Ang nipis naman yan.
Ma'am, 2007.
Kaya nga, ang nipis nga. Ang konti naman.
Ma'am, kasi di ba kailangan matapos yung mga anak nila from school and then they have a 7-year gestation period also. So, yeah. So, ang exit natin.
Ang exit depende sa kung graduation.
But that's 17 years. Siguro naman, under 18 years old lang ang covered.
Madam
dyan.
Chair, it's only been recent na nag-exit ang DSWD from the program. I'm sure you well know na noon there was a
No,
COA.
may exit din. May exit
Pero konti
din.
ho, that's why COA even cited, before I came in, there was a COA cited finding that said nga na hindi kami nag-exit ng
Hindi
enough.
nga.
So that's
Di ba
why,
nag-exit?
yan
Imagine
numero na yan,
17 years.
yan numero na yan is small kasi hindi ho talaga nag-exit noon. But right now, we are more aggressive in it using the Dswd. And in 2023, for instance, Madam Chair,
So,
alone.
in any case, what's the reason for the discrepancy of 743,000?
Ano bang 743?
There's a discrepancy kasi you said that 6 million point 472 have been served. So, bitin yun kasi may 5.728. There, it's not tallying. Unless they become eligible again. I'm just assuming that after COVID, they went right back to being eligible. Is that possible? Di ba tumanda na yung mga anak, hindi na pwede yun?
Madam Chair, let me explain in a less complicated manner. Medyo mahirap sabayan pero please bear with me. Madam Chair, nung 2019, nagkaroon tayo ng listahanan. Inabutan ho siya ng COVID. So nung pumasok ho si Sec Tulfo and ako, meron ho mga portion na ini-exit massively. Almost 1.4 million yung in-exit. Na pagtingin namin, mahirap pa rin.
I understand. I was there. I was
So,
already the
binalik
chair
natin
for that.
sila. We did return people who were inadvertently exited from the program. That's around 700,000. Roughly, ma'am, 700,000 yung binalik natin.
So are you saying that